So I'm not sure if this is a misfire or what, but the needle looks like it's going up and down a bit. Just hovering a bit over the needle point. It also feels like it has a little rough idle, now that I think about it. See? See that?